Halloween decor that is very scary, and then I also like some ideas that are very whimsical. And this one certainly is a lot of fun. Your kids will absolutely love doing this. We're gonna take 2 styrofoam balls, any size you want. I inserted a piece of wire, and then with some hot glue, just put a few daubs of hot glue on here just to hold the wire in place. What we're gonna create are these really, really fun eyeballs, okay? So we're gonna take some blue acrylic paint and we're going to paint a big circle. This really could not be easier. Your kids could do this, and this is fantastic for last minute, especially for outdoor, obviously, because this is gonna give your shrubbery and your plants all kinds of attitude. And we're gonna paint now with some black acrylic paint. I'm gonna paint the pupil right there, okay? And of course, because these are googly eyes, with some red paint, we can just create some little bloodshot lines. Simple, simple, simple. Again, as much or as little as you like. From here, let it dry. What you can do is you can leave it, it's pretty well waterproof. You can also coat it with a Varathane if you want to make it super duper waterproof. And when you're done, you have these fantastic, really fun eyes in here. And again, you can insert these into your bushes, into your shrubs, into your plants outside to give your entire yard a whole new attitude.